Welcome to another Wildlife Wednesday with the Winters.
When I got up this morning and was having my cup of coffee, I saw a beautiful sunrise. So I took this video of the sights and sounds of sunrise on the lake. I thought you might enjoy seeing it. You can barely see it in the video, but I caught a glimpse of a fox crossing the grassy area down by the bank, just as that flock of geese was swimming by.
And y'all be sure to come back next week for another Wildlife Wednesday with the Winters.